welcome to Kona Beach Estate, Mike.
Thank you very much, Paul. I will see you later.
Just as a heads up, Mike.
Yeah.
You're overdressed. Shoes.
Shoes off. You got it. Hi, Karen. I heard it was a little overdressed, so.
Oh, not that casual.
Not that.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. And before we get started, I heard that you like Tiki.
Oh, you heard correctly.
Okay, well then I have a surprise for you.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right. Wow. Okay, what are we looking at?
The ocean.
Well, that.
Nature's big screen.
I just haven't seen it so close in a house before.
Yes, it's very special, and this is what you come for.
Okay, so you were talking Tiki earlier.
Yes, let's go.
All right. Wow, hi. Very nice Tiki collection you have here.
Thank you.
Is this something that kind of comes with the experience here?
This is an amenity that we do offer. Catherine is an awesome chef that we recommend highly.
Very cool. Catherine, what are we serving for Tiki today?
We're making a passion fruit Mai Tai.
Speaking my language.
Mike, shall we check out the ocean?
I think we should. It's like right there. Oh, wow. I gotta tell you, I've been coming to Hawaii every summer as a kid. That was our family vacation spot. I feel like you guys have really encapsulated the experience of Hawaii all in one zone.
That was my goal. When I walked through that door and saw what we saw originally, my vision was to bring the ocean inside. All of the decor is centered around the colors of the ocean. So you see the turtles on the fabric here because this is known as Turtle Beach.
Let's talk about the house. How many rooms? How many bathrooms?
In the main house, we have 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and a powder room. And in the cottage, there are 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms as well.
What's your favorite room in the house?
My favorite bedroom would be the junior primary, as it has full windows on both sides.
Tell me about the bathroom in the primary.
The primary bath has a very deep sunken tub that overlooks the ocean, and then of course a big closet.
When I'm at home with my family, we congregate in the kitchen a lot. You have a huge kitchen
Yes.
with a giant island. That island in your kitchen is almost as big as one of the islands in Hawaii. You also have indoor dining and a full outdoor dining table.
The other thing that we have is a full outdoor kitchen. So we've got a pizza oven, a gas grill, and we've got a Kamado Joe, which is also a charcoal smoker grill.
Speaking of hanging out with friends and family, can you tell me about the community out here?
The better people to ask are my grandsons.
All right, well, I'll ask them.
Okay.
Hey, guys.
Hi.
Jack and James?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too.
What would you guys do when you're out here together?
We like to go kayaking. Obviously the pool. Explore downtown. It's literally like 5 minutes or so that way.
So you're basically surrounded by everything you need. So why is it important for you guys to be connected to the local?
It makes us feel like we're still a part of this community.
Very cool. Can I become part of this community?
Of course, yeah.
I want to thank you all for having me in your home. Thank you for the wonderful food. Thank you for having me. And Kele Maluna. Okole Maluna. Cheers. Thank you.